Yeah. You can see both of them really clearly anyway. Run around over here, JD. Run all the way around Shayna. Big circle. Big circle right around her. Come on, run, 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 run. Run that dog. There you go. Bigger circle. Okay, don't let him put it down till you say. Okay, now hold him up. Hold him up. Kick. That's it. Okay, keep him close to you like that. Shayna, out of that intense barking, I want to give him a bite. Okay? Hold him close to you, JD. Okay, so JD, a circle. Nice big circle. Keep going. Give him a little jerk on his collar. Jerk, jerk, jerk. Okay.
Oh no, he's an handler. Anytime I've ever been in the camp, I always worry about that.
Okay, keep him right there. Keep him close to you. Shayna, out of the intensity, right into a bark, into a bite.
Yeah, I think
Okay, little backup bite and he's done. Boy. Don't forget he has to get